Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and thank you so much for coming back for another video. So today I'm sharing a clean with me in my little one's room. They are 9 and almost 8. They have like laundry and stuff to be put away. I just got to reorganize and dust in here. What prompted me for this video was Sultan's new Vanity coming in. We got it from this brand. I'm going to put it in the caption because I don't want to butcher the name, but so far we love it. So I'm starting with just putting away their clothes that I folded in my last cleaning video. They haven't been here. They've been spending a lot more time with their dad. So I'm just going to go ahead and put those away for them and then clean up the rest of the room. I know I've mentioned this before, but my kids are not allowed to eat in their room, but sometimes they just do it anyway. Well, in this case, Sultan clearly did because the crumbs are in her drawers under her bed. So I'm just vacuuming those really quickly and then putting her jeans, shorts, and like active wear in this drawer. The other one is for pajamas, and then it's kind of like the same concept for Amir's side. That's Ruby handing me some hangers off camera. Can you believe that Ruby is going to be 14 next week? That is so crazy to me. She wants a Y2K themed birthday, which is like early 2000s styles. And it's crazy because in 2002, 2003, I was in middle school. So I'm like so excited for this. It's crazy to see how trends come back around. My mom did tell me this when I was younger, like when flare jeans and bell bottoms came back out again. She's like, that used to be the style when I was younger. And now I'm sharing that experience with my daughter. It looks like I'm filming this really late in the day, but it's just been so rainy and gloomy in Florida. It just started downpouring. That's why I looked out the window. I don't know why it's raining so much. It's November, it's late November, and we have yet to have a really cold day. But I think sometime this week, like Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, it's supposed to get into like the 40s. So we are excited for that. We want to start doing like fall or winter related activities. We want to have s'mores and hot cocoa. So we're really excited for cold weather. So now I'm just putting away the last of the clothes, and one of the kids' baskets where I keep their undergarments and socks is broken. But girl, I am not running to Target or ordering just one basket. They're just gonna have to deal with it. They really be doing the absolute most in here. I know you guys see those scuffs on the walls, but now that it's going to be cooling down, they can start playing in the garage again, where I created a little playroom for them. But it's pretty bad out there right now. That might be an upcoming video, especially before Christmas. I just put away the last of the tools that we used to build the vanity. Now I'm going to go around the room and pick up some trash. They got a hold of some post-its and we're drawing on them. They're just everywhere. So I'm going to pick up that trash and then finally get started on decorating the vanity. I didn't do too much because Sultan's not here and I do want her to make it her own. But for the video purposes, I just put a couple of things on there just to surprise her. There were some pictures hanging here before we put the vanity up, and I didn't want to take the screws out of the wall and just have holes there, so I just put them back on top of the vanity for now. The vanity also comes with a hair drying rack, but she doesn't really have any use for it, so we didn't install it. As me and Ruby were filming this part, she's telling me she wants this vanity too, and I'm like, girl, me too. But I have a built-in vanity in my bathroom. Ruby has my old vanity from the old house in her room, but I think it's time for an upgrade. I went in the garage and found all of this stuff out there. I used to buy a lot of little knickknacks and succulents and stuff, and I kept all of them. So now normally when I'm redecorating a space, I never have to go out and buy anything. I just have extra in my garage. The website and link to this vanity will be in the description. There's also an additional $15 off clickable coupon, and you can also use 05 Jessica to get an extra 5% off. I'm giving you guys a look at the inside. I'll take the stickers off later, but she can hang her necklaces there. There's some cabinets or shelves on either side. The mirror slides side to side. It's touch and it has 3 different lighting settings. She loves that. I love that too. The description says 2-in-1 design, but I would say 3 because she said that she also plans to do her homework here. The dividers are adjustable. There's a ton of storage in this vanity. I like the little glass top. I like that this vanity has built-in sockets and a USB port so she can charge her iPad, laptop, and phone here. There's even more storage under here with the little cubby. I'm putting some of her lip glosses and things in there and a couple makeup brushes. This vanity also comes with a cushioned stool. You'll see that at the end of the video. I'm doing a quick vacuum of the floor since we were building in here. Then I'm going to strip the beds and remake them, and that'll be it for this video. And that is it for this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up and I'll make more like this. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll talk to you all in my next video.